Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Avicad tutorial how to add plot style. So if you want to add plot style, you can type OP to open option dialog box and then go to printing tab, click on print style table settings. After it, you can click add or edit print style table button and then click add buttons to add new plot style. So in here I will use the exiting point style table. Click next. Now you can browse your plot style. As example, I will use this example plot style. Click open. Click next. And the names I will set into example. Click next again. Click finish. Now it will be automatically add for the example plot style. Click close and click OK, OK again. Now to view, you can type plot, press enter, and then you can go to print style tables, click on drop down menu, and there are the example plot style. Okay, that's it for basic Avicad tutorial, how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.